Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Crawford County in northwestern Arkansas, southeastern Washington County in northwestern Arkansas, until 6:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:08 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Devil's Den State Park, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations in or near the path include Yola, Chester, Winslow, Bidville, Devil's Den State Park, Brentwood, Locke, Lake Fort Smith, Mount Gaylor, Blackburn, Mount Tainberg. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 33 and 47. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.